town, and the whistle from the factory is running the sound, and everybody knows from miles around.
As I opened up my laptop, logged into my Gmail, didn't have one spam, read the first email. It was from the record label, invoice confirmation. Yeah, we getting money now, but that's another conversation. Cause I'm feeling myself right now, feeling good, got my head up in the clouds. That loud, the lightweights have to turn downs going round, while we pull up to your town, rock it and turn around.